What's going on, you guys? Hello, Jason here in front of the camera here. We're on such a beautiful trail right now. You can see everything just flows. It's just so awesome. We're out here having a good old time and everything else. Just wanted to share. I hear birds. We're out here in nature. This is really a nice time for me. So we're out here just having fun. Be quiet, you can hear the birds. You hear the birds? We're out here enjoying nature. One time I was on this trail and I was walking and I saw a big bear right there. I kid you not. And I'm like, so I had to go that way and go around the other way. I was like, oh my. So I was very calm, and so that's the story. You know, every time you enjoy being out here, it's fun. Now look over here. This is how beautiful. This reminds me of paradise here. We got a place here. I feel like I'm walking somewhere nice, like I'm in Dollywood or something. But look at all this stuff you can relax on. I got a swing over here. It's beautiful. Got a fireplace outdoors here. You know, this is just beautiful, huh? So, we got chairs. And now we're on the trail. Now we're hiking all the way. Oh, this is beautiful. I like hiking. This feels good. Takes a good discipline and accountability. Look at that. Look how clean and that is. And now we're going to start getting on the boardwalk. I'm going to stop around and I'll show you some nature stuff as we get closer. But this is where we're at right now. So look how peaceful as you're walking right here. I want to keep walking a little bit. And we're going to keep walking. Hiking builds strong, healthy lifestyle. So that's all I'm going to say. So here I am. Yeah, it's a lot of hiking that I love to do. And we're out here enjoying everything. This is just, you know, one step, one day at a time. You take another step, another step, another step. And before you know, you achieve your goals. But yeah, this is just really awesome to be out here taking a nice hike. And we're going to come up to some places here. And we're on a boardwalk hiking right now. You can hear nature out here. It's just beautiful. Very, very beautiful. We're out here just enjoying the day. Everything that would go along with it. You know? So, now I'm going to come to a spot here and show you the nature for the birds. Now we're back on the boardwalk. And this is just paradise. for me. You can see all the nature down there, just how beautifully it's preserved. That's nature right there. Just how peaceful this place is when I come. And then we're gonna be walking here, all the way walking here, and that's the story. Peaceful. This is where all the nature is. It's just peaceful. You'll see some birds up in the trees. We're on a nature hike today, which I think is really, really phenomenal. You walk around and you can just see. We're over here on the trail. Again, everything is just so preserved, you know. And it just flows naturally. So you can hear birds out here. They got turtles out here. Sometimes you'll see them in the water down below next to the bridge. But I think it's really exciting. And that's what we've been up to lately. I think it's great. It's very muddy and marshy down below. That's a good shot right there. Good photo shoot. This photo shoot and video thing is beautiful. This is where you'll hear nature like birds. Sometimes you'll see the different things here. Just very peaceful over here. So now we're back on the bridge. Just wanted to show about some nature over here. So peaceful. Looks like the bridge you would have in a dream, and you're just out in nature, relaxing happily. And I feel very, very happy today, and very fresh air, beautiful sunshine, you know, everything that goes along with it. And you just keep walking. I'm excited about this, I really am. So we're out here. Now I'm going to show you something else. The water there, that's where you'll see turtles, and sometimes you'll see them poke their head out of the water. But that's where we're at. And this is what I was talking about, with all the nature preserved. You'll see turtles and fish sometimes swimming in that water. Sometimes you'll see frogs over there. Some more nature right down there. It's all marsh and swamp over there. Sometimes you'll see different types of animals, and so yeah,